Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Nokia G11 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down again and find the build number, which may be quite strange for you, but before we will be able to activate the automatic system updates, we have to open the developer options, and we can do it using the build number. So here all you have to do is to simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. As you can see, in my case there is no need because I'm already a developer. So after that, just go back to the general settings and enter the system. Now let's tap on advanced and tap on developer options. Here basically all we have to do is to simply scroll down a little bit to find automatic system updates. As you can see, in my case this option is turned on, but if you've got it turned off, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher. And from this moment, since this option is active, your device will be allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to, just by tapping on the switcher again. So actually, this is it. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your Nokia G11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.